Welcome everyone to our statistics series. We're still in the primary school aspect of it, first school living certificate. Today we'll be starting with frequency and tally. The usage of frequency is from the word frequent, always in bracket. It came to be in statistics due to large or much number of data or information in figures. This data needed to be presented in orderly forms. Frequency is simply the number of times something takes place. It could also be the number of occurrences. For instance, if we visit grandpa twice in a year, then the frequency of our visit is 2. On the other hand, if for any reason we did not visit in a particular year, then the frequency is 0. Let us study the pattern of presentation of the data below. The ages of 20 pupils in primary 6C is given as 13, 14, 15, 16, 15, 14, 13, 16, 14, 16, 16, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 15, 13, 15, 15. Arrangement 1, we have 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 16, 16, 16, 16, 16. Arrangement 2 will be in a tabular form. We have ages and number of students, frequency in bracket. The ages we have 13, 14, 15, and 16, and their frequency will be 5, 4, 6, 5. Now, out of the two arrangements of the raw data given above, arrangement 1 is a presentation in ascending order. Arrangement 2 is called frequency table. It takes less and gives more detail and is straight to the point. Next, summation of frequencies, sigma f. The addition of all the frequencies of any set of value is called summation of frequency, denoted by sigma f, where sigma means summation and f means frequency. Next subheading here is tally. Tally is the special stroke, small line-like figures, representation of frequency. It aids us in noting down frequency from raw data before writing them out the actual frequency in numerical figures. Study the table below. It shows tally and their equivalent numerical figures. Okay, in the table, we have tally, the numbers. First, 1 is indicated by Roman numeral I, then 1. 2 numeral, Roman numeral, then 2. A big number. 3 stroke like that, then you just write the 3 out. 4, write it out 4 stroke, then you write the 4 number out. But when you get to 5, you don't write 5 stroke, you write 4, then you cross it, and that represents 5. When you get to 6 is that stroke line, then you now start with 1 again, 1 numeral, that is 6. As for 7, is the stroke line, stroked 4 line, then plus 2 numeral, that make it 7. 8 is the same as that stroke line with 3, then you write 8. 9 is the stroke line with 4 eyes, then you write 9 out. As for 10 is 2 stroke line, 2 set of stroke line, that represents 10. When it is 11, is that 2 set of stroke line that you're starting over again. Let's say for instance, number 20 is 4 stroke line. Each one is 5, so and that represents our 20. For instance, the table for arrangement 2 in the example given earlier is better presented as, now it's going to be arrangement 3, ages, tally, and frequency. Now under the first set of numbers we have 13. And how many times the 13 occur is 5. 30 represented as 5 before we now write out 5 as the frequency. The same thing for 14. 14 occurred 4 times, and that is the tally representation before the 4 frequency is written. 15 occurred 6 times, and is tallied this way before the 6 is written out. 16 occurred 5 times, tallied this way before 5 is written out. To avoid confusion, we have 2 types of frequency table. Frequency table without tally. These types are the ones given originally in organized form, usually as shown below. Let's have example of such. These are tables prepared from raw data. Thus, if we are asked, the example 1, reframing it, the ages of 20 pupils in primary 6C are 13, 14, 15, 16, 15, 14, 13, 16, 14, 16, 16, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 15, 13, 15, 15. Prepare a frequency table using the figures above. From our former arrangements, that of arrangement 3, we score all the marks allocated to this question, while arrangement 2, we score half mark. As for arrangement 1, it is 0, since it is not in tabular form. It is 0 scores. Example, the following scores were recorded in a mathematics test given to 20 students. Construct a frequency table to show the distribution of the marks. Solution. We have prepared a table that shows scores, tally, and frequency. And the first number we take there, which is the lowest, is 0. 0 occurred twice, so it will be represented by 2 tally. And the frequency is 2. Next is 1. 1, you can locate 1 3 times, and that is 3. 2 occurred 6 times, and that is 6. 3 occurred once, 1. 4 occurred 3 times. 5 occurred 2 times. 6 occurred 3 times, that is 3. How we worked here is that we will look at the scores seriously to see that they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we take them one row at a time to check for 0. Then the second row, 2 0 appeared there. After that, we move to 1, which appeared twice in the top row and once in the second row, making its frequency 3. On and on, you will observe the usefulness of tally. Let's take another example. Use the information below to answer the following question. From the given table, A, we have to find the total. B, calculate the average of the 3 frequencies. C, what is the mode? Solution. The total, which is summation F, addition of all the frequencies, will be the same as 10 plus 6 plus 14, which is equals to 30. B, we have 3 items only. Thus, average will be equals to 10 plus 6 plus 14 divided by 3, which is equals to 30 over 3, is equals to 10. C, mode is equals to the last item with the highest frequency of 14. Note that the mode is not 14. That is the frequency. Another example. The following frequencies of accident were recorded for the local government area shown according to 1972 statistics. Using these values, solve question number 4 and 5. Question number 4. What is the mean value for the 5 local government areas? Solution. Mean is equals to summation x over n, where n is the number of local government. So we say mean is equals to 302 plus 511 plus 393 plus 393 plus 421 divided by 5. And that is equals to 2020 divided by 5. That is 2020 divided by 5, which is equals to 404. Number 5. Indicate the local government area with the highest accident cases. Solution. This is the same thing as the mode. So LGAB with 511 cases. Another example, use the table for numbers 12 to 14. Table is given below. Number 12. What is the total number of pupils in the school? The options are given. Solution. Total pupils is equals to number of boys plus number of girls, which is the same as 234 plus 186, which is equals to 420. Question number 13. How many boys were absent on Wednesday? The options are given. Solution. Boys absent will be equals to 234, which is the total boys, minus the number of boys present on Wednesday, 216, and then you get the absent, which is 18. Number 14. On which 2 days were the number of girls present the same? The options are given. Solution. The number of girls present were the same on Monday and Wednesday, that is 184. We are through with the examples under this subheading. Next, we have some exercises which are taken from page 103 and 104 of the hidden fact in First School Living Certificate, Primary School. Try your hands on the exercises. The answers are provided at the answer section of the book, either the hard copy or the soft copy. Thank you.